Everyone, this is the seventh experiment of Unix lab. In this, we have to create a file and write something in it and read from the file. So the first thing is we have to create a C file. In this, first I am including two header files stdio.h and fcntl.h for file operations. Then we have void main class. Then create function to create a file called sample.txt with the required permissions. Then I am creating a file descriptor of name sample.txt file descriptor which will open the file sample.txt in read write mode. Then I am taking text of 200 which will act as my buffer. Then I am asking the user to write the text. Then scanning the text what the user has written. Then I am taking one more file descriptor which will write the previous file the contents whatever user has given into the file sample.txt. So I am taking the file descriptor of the first thing, then the text which I want to write which I have taken from user, and it will write until the size of the text. And then int num, then I am taking the reading the file whatever it is written, that's a file descriptor. Then text and how many bytes I want to read. Suppose I want to read only 20 bytes, so first 20 bytes are read taken. Then print the first 20 bytes I am printing. Write one, the one indicates that the output will be shown on the screen, and the text is the buffer in which we have written, and 20 is the size of bytes with till which we want to print on the screen. Then we have a new file descriptor which is the I am making a new file descriptor which is a duplicate of the previous file descriptor. Then I am closing the previous file descriptor. Then I am positioning the new file descriptor pointer 20 bytes from the starting position. So I have to use the command lseek the file descriptor name, that is new file descriptor 20, that is the position where I want to place, and 0 from which position I want to place. So 20, the file pointer will move from 0 to 20. Now I am taking another file descriptor numerator 1 which will read new file descriptor text and 10, which means it will start from the 21st byte in the text and it will read 10 characters from it. And then I am printing the next 10 bytes as write one is for again for printing on the screen. Then text is the buffer and 10 is the next 10 bytes which the compiler is which this GCC compiler is reading. So in this way we can complete the whole program of reading and writing from a file. Now I will show you by running the output. So as you can see, first we have to write the text. Suppose I take any long text. So as you can see, the first 20 bytes are as it is and the next 10 bytes are shown. So this is the seventh experiment of Unix and Unix lab. Thank you.